If you want to work on lowering your stress, your heart rate, have better focus and better sleep, box breathing is a great technique that I use and I work with my clients and students. And it's also called 444. And the reason why it's called 444 is that you breathe in 4 seconds, you hold for 4 seconds, you exhale for 4 seconds, and then you hold. I like to say keep the breath empty and then you begin again. What does this do? Well, it sort of helps to regulate your nervous system, slows you down, and teaches you a technique with the box visual, helps you to create that space for you. So it has such a soothing effect, and at the beginning when you do practice it, you might find it difficult to hold your breath, but with time you will definitely begin to get better at it and feel the effects pretty quickly. So who is this not for? Someone who has high blood pressure, or if someone is pregnant, I would consult a doctor and ask if it's okay for you to do the box breathing. So a fun fact, US SEALs use this box breathing method, to help them stay calm and alert through any sort of situation. So that's basically the essence of it, that's what it does. It helps you stay calm and alert, right? Focus and calm. And then, so there's so many great benefits. So what I'm going to do is share with you how to do the box breathing technique. Okay, so it's really simple. If some people do have trouble breathing in through the nose, so just take your time. Eventually, the breath will warm up into the nasal passageway, and you will get used to it. So find yourself like in a place to comfortable, keeping the airways open, and basically I'm just going to kind of use my hand as a direction of the count, and you will try your best. You're going to breathe in through the nose, and then you're going to hold the breath for 4 seconds, and then you're slowly going to breathe out and then hold. So let's try that together. We're going to breathe in through the nose, hold, breathe out, hold, breathe in, hold, breathe out, hold, breathing in, hold, breathe out, hold, and relax. So you can see how this really, just doing a few rounds of the box breathing, right away you start to feel the effects as your sympathetic nervous system starts to relax, and it has great benefits. So try this like anytime. You can do it anywhere. You can even do it like in public. People won't even know that you're doing it. I love to do it sometimes just before going to sleep. If I really just want to decompress, I'll do the box breathing, first connecting to the breath, and then I'll go into the box breathing. And I would love to hear back from you about how it felt for you, and if there's any questions, if there's something that you are having difficult working with, maybe there's something that I can help you to tweak it a little bit with the breathing technique. So good luck, and hope you really enjoyed this video. Please share it, like, and subscribe, as this is helping me grow the well, wellness for all of us, right? Wellness for all of us. And this is like my goal, to just live a better life, fuller life, and more peaceful life. Thank you.